Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check the RAM usage and the clean of the RAM from the Samsung Galaxy A71. To do this operation, go to the settings here now and search for option device care. Click on the memory option here and you should see how many RAM is usage of your phone. Is 2.7 GB in my case from all of the 6 GB usage. You can clear now 0.7 GB of the apps which I don't need now to use, and phone is checking with the new apps here of the phone, and that's it. It's all about the RAM, and I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!